It would usually be October before the grapes at Chilford Hall Vineyard in Cambridgeshire would be ready for picking. But the scorching summer has made them ripe already. What might be good news for wine producers, however, is a bad sign for the planet. And a new study has confirmed what many had feared, that the Earth is warmer now than any time in the past 2,000 years.
The size of the ring generally depends on how good the summer was, and so wide rings tend to be good summers and narrow rings tend to be poor summers.
It's the most comprehensive study ever. As well as looking at sections of ancient trees, Professor Phil Jones at the University of East Anglia studied historical records and ice samples taken from deep below the surface of the Antarctic.
We can explain everything up to the beginning of the 20th century just from a modelling perspective, just by changes in the output of the sun and the number of volcanic eruptions. We just can't explain the rapid rise in temperatures during the 20th century. The only way we can do that is incorporating greenhouse gases into the model.
Scientists in the US blame global warming for the rapid melting of the ice at Glacier National Park in Montana. They predict it'll all be gone within 30 years. At the same time, the US government wants carbon dioxide, which is pumped from factories and cars, to be reclassified, so it's no longer seen as an air pollutant. There are those that say the soaring temperatures aren't caused by us at all, but are just part of a natural cycle of climate change. Skeptics argue it was in fact warmer more than 1,000 years ago, when 50 vineyards flourished in England. But the study has shown that while some regions may have been particularly hot in medieval times, as a whole, the planet was cooler then than it is today. This summer's weather might have been record-breaking, but the researchers warn at the rate we're going, by 2040, the temperatures experienced last month will be the norm.